Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey guys! Today we're doing the Bean Boozled Challenge!
Hey!
Oh, ready? We got 10 flavors on this little box and some are good, some are really nasty. Alright?
Yeah. Hopefully I don't lose this one.
Yeah. So the punishment for this thing is we have like 3 little cups right here, and whoever spits out the most is gonna get a punishment. Their punishment is gonna be really nasty, which is like one color of whatever is left is gonna be put on their mouth. They're gonna have to chew it for 15 seconds as hard as they can without spitting it out.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright, Stinky Socks and Tutti Frutti.
Yeah.
Ready?
You ready?
Ready? Alright. Cheers, guys. Cheers, cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank God. This thing is yummy.
Oh, yeah. I like mine.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my
It's
God.
so
I smell.
Oh, my goodness. You got a Stinky Socks in your mouth, girl.
Wait, no, I think I have it.
Oh, that
Oh,
was
my
yours.
God.
It's me!
No, it's me. Both of you, probably.
Oh, my God. That's why I was like, why does it smell? I thought it was happening.
I just smelled it when you
too.
talked, though.
Oh, it smells really bad. Like, when you...
My
Wait, I'm
Tutti Frutti, mwah. I love it. Alright. The first one to spit something out. Oh, shit!
For the girls, because you know they're weak.
He was able to eat a ghost pepper, but he couldn't eat. Oh, damn! Damn! I knew it. Oh wow!
What the hell? That was like the first one.
Damn, bro! Yo,
What the hell? Why do I see like different colors?
You're crying, dude. Oh! Oh, damn! Oh shit, that's a ghost pepper, man. Damn! I saw him puking from his nose, his mouth.
No, there was a point
Oh.
where I puked from my nose, and I tried to wake back up.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's disgusting.
Oh, damn.
But we had the same jelly bean. I don't get it.
Maybe his jelly bean was more like stronger.
No, mine smell really bad.
Maybe it's because
Swallow it?
Yes?
maybe it's because of the ghost
It was stuck in
pepper.
my teeth. It's still.
Oh my god.
You want more water?
Oh damn! Oh man, he's speaking through his nose again. Damn. Shit. Oh damn. Look, close up on you. Oh shit!
I'm good.
You're good. Oh yo, show your eyes, man. Go.
I'm good.
Do a close up, bro.
Ah.
Look, do a close up of your eyes, dude. His eyes are so red
You disgust me. Get out my face.
right now. Oh my goodness. So freaking red. Alright. So the next flavor. Oh man,
I'm gonna skip this one.
this flavor is really good. It's gonna be butter, popcorn, or rotten eggs.
You can't skip it.
No, you can't skip it. You gotta do it. Just gotta do it.
Yeah, damn it.
This one has nothing. Look, nothing.
No quiero.
Okay. Alright, so
Meow.
butter, popcorn, or rotten eggs.
God damn it.
1,
I feel
2.
like I'm gonna puke.
Alright, cheers, guys. Cheers. 1. Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah,
This guy freaked me out, man. Because of,
Let's do it.
oh shit, no.
We're good. Ready?
Breathe.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Butter pop. Oh. Come on.
Hey, guys!
Oh shit. This butter popcorn tastes a little bit like rotten eggs,
A little bit.
baby wipes, and coconut. Alright.
Alright,
Oh
cheers.
my god.
Cheers,
I think I
guys,
smell
cheers.
it.
No,
I can smell it.
I'm not gonna smell it. Oh man, rotten eggs. I don't want it. Oh man, look at this.
Oh, baby
Baby
wipes!
wipes?
Oh.
Coconut.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this reminds me of Matthew's diapers.
Okay.
I don't want to. I don't want to shoot it.
It tastes like coconut, but
Stop!
it tastes like disgusting coconut. It's like rotten ass coconut. Shit.
Baby ones are.
Maybe this should expire before we. No, it's still good. Still good.
All right.
I can't swallow it. I
You have
still
to
have
spit
it.
it. All right, spit it.
Oh.
You got baby wipes?
Yeah, I got it.
Ew. Okay, the next ones are lawn clippings or lime. Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers. Ah, fuck.
Or no?
Dog clippings?
I don't. Yeah.
I got dog. It tastes like grass. Like.
I got lime. Yay!
Why are you eating half of it? Just put the whole.
Because I'm scared.
Oh my goodness. Shit.
I'll probably win. Do you have? Oh, you
Nothing.
don't have. You're winning.
Yeah, toothpaste or berry blue. Guys, cheers again, man. May the best people win.
Toothpaste or what? Oh shit.
Or
I got the good one.
berry blue.
Yeah.
I got toothpaste. It tastes good though. It tastes good.
I got very blue.
It's like it's
It's
washing
good,
my
right?
mouth.
Ah.
This one wasn't so bad.
Yeah, it was good. I think it's giving us a break before the nasty
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Did you guys swallow?
I'm washing my mouth. I got toothpaste, you know?
Alright, the next one. Ugh. Canned dog food or chocolate
my God.
pudding? Ah, I feel like this is dog shit.
Mm.
Look, you can see it.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
I got it.
Oh, I got the dog.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Eat it, man. Eat
No, I
it.
can't eat it. Come on, bro.
You're gonna have to eat the rest anyways, man.
Ew, it smells really bad.
Yeah, it's... okay, dog food I
Which one
can.
Dog food too.
Yeah.
That was disgusting. I almost feel just
That's the
tasting it.
worst dog food I've ever
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have that taste in my
like I've
mouth.
ever tried.
Oh, hold on, let me get some water. I can't do it.
Oh, the next one's worse. Moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this one back because I feel like I'm getting the same taste as the last one.
Mm.
Oh, I got moldy cheese.
I got caramel
Oh my
corn.
god, I got more dishes too bad.
This smells really bad.
Alright, the last one is gonna be a skunk spray. Oh shit. Or licorice.
Licorice.
The color of death.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Wait, it kind of tastes like coffee.
Don't throw. Ew.
Oh my god, it's really bad. I took it out. I took like
I don't try.
triple L's.
I'm trying to figure out which one's mine.
Oh man, the skunk spray made me cry a little. Alright, it's time for punishment!
You gotta count though. This is like I'm committing suicide.
Yeah.
Like, I'm just swallowing like pills.
Okay.
Hold on. He has to start chewing though, really hard.
No,
Oh shit!
no.
No, you have to do it!
Just do it.
But the
You couldn't last 1 second.
Not even.
You couldn't last 1
Oh
second.
my god.
How did it taste like?
It tastes like the first one, but even like worse.
Stinky socks. Yo, stinky
Stinky
socks.
socks was really bad.
Yeah,
I did.
yeah.
I
And
got
that was the
Tutti Frutti.
first one that we had.
Yeah.
Tutti Frutti was the best, I gotta say.
It even smells so
Tutti
bad.
Frutti.
I thought it was her. Like
I thought it was just my bad breath. I had bad breath, guys.
I smelled it really bad though.
It was. It
The
was
stinky
really
socks,
bad.
when he opened his mouth, it smells bad. And I'm like... Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.
alright.